everybody, it's William here. Long overdue video on the Ford Transit van life. Here in sunny Florida, beautiful lake, nice park, and boy do I have something to show you. Come on. Alright, so this is the brand new 2020 Ford Transit 350 HD high roof dually. This has the twin turbo Ecoboost V6, has the new 10-speed transmission, has the tow package with the tow mirrors, keypad on the side for keyless entry. Windows are completely blacked out all the way around. You got your 5,000-pound tow hitch. You have your shore power and your Suburban tankless water heater. Up on the roof, you can see we got the Dometic Penguin 2, and we have a refrigerator vent because we do have a propane refrigerator in here. So let's start with the inside where we drive. Come on. As you can see, there's a new dashboard for 2020. We have the 8-inch touchscreen. Right about there is your driving view. We have the Sortimo partition wall with the sliding door. Keeps everybody out so nobody can see in. We do have the doggy chair, which we pull out from behind here. Goes up here and rests on the two for our dog to travel with. Taking it down, you just pull it off, slide it behind the seat, and flip it back up again. That way you can walk back and forth through. You got your rear air conditioning and heat controls. The rear heat goes through the vents that are down through the partition. Okay. Come around this side and we'll go through the sliding door. Now on our sliding door, we did get the power step. Okay. Go ahead and open her up. Step back so you can see what's in there. Okay. We'll go ahead and enter. We have a little safety latch here that keeps our mirror closed. Open it up. We have the nice full-size shower bar. Your porta potty with electric flush. Okay, we always put our little latch back on. We have some lights, some storage inside our little happiness homemade thing. This is our control for the Suburban heater, for the tankless water heater. These are the controls for all the lights. DC if you want to charge your phone or something right through here. You have your Dometic heat strip and your air conditioning right here. Okay, let's turn around this way. When we lift this up, this is for getting ready. You got your cups, your soap, your little light. You got your vacuum cleaner, paper towels, garbage bag holders, umbrellas. Down here we have more storage. We have a 2,000 watt inverter that runs off of the car battery. There's a voltage sensing relay down here, so whenever the engine is running, the inverter turns on. And then this is the bypass switch, so we can have it on all the time if we choose to. Over here is our Segways. We got the Mini Plus, or sorry, Segway Mini Pro down below, and then we carry a Mini Plus up on top. This little doohickey here comes off. We got our Segway in there, and then underneath the Segway is a pair of shoes and also the charger, so we can charge it on the go right inside there. Down below, when we open this up, if we don't have the other Segway in there, we can have storage. And then you have your other Segway charger, so you can charge both of them on the road while you're going. Okay. We have Vevlour blinds everywhere. Press the button and pull them down. Press the button and lift them up. And then they'll stay in place all along every window. We got our full-length mirror. Ceiling lights. You got your little spice rack. Fridge and freezer. And of course everything falls out. Whatever you're moving around. There we go. Lots of junk food. And then of course your regular refrigerator. Over here you can see we got a TV DVD combo. It's on the swivel that we can pull all the way out and move around wherever we like. We got storage up on the top of all cabinets. Two 36-inch long cabinets on each side, baskets below. Got our little control panel here. These are the lights that are in the garage underneath the back. These are the lights for the shower and for the walkway. Then we have neon lights that go through the whole roof. We can choose either white or blue, or we can do both for like a grayish color. And then this one here, there's an exhaust fan for the refrigerator and also powers the TV. And then this is the water pump. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll open up the back doors, show you from that angle. Here's the Sortimo, so you can get an idea what that looks like when it's open. We put a lot of these storages in every place we could to get extra storage. Little bags that close in and they're easy to put in. Okay. Now we'll come to the back. In the back, you have several different things. This side is our generator and tools. Behind that is the attic. You can only access the attic when you fold the cushions over, and then there's an access panel that lifts up. You can get to the tankless water heater, and all the rest inside there is storage. Goes all the way back. Here you can kind of get a better view of the TV. There's some more storage tubes on the right side. You got your AC and 12 volt up there for accessories. Okay, on this side we have our garage, which is easy access for all your toys. So right here we got a bunch of drones and some Segway stuff, scooters. Okay. We have our water fill inside. We have our water level here, which when the light is on for the garage, there's 3 lights. There's one for this side, one for this side, and one for the tank itself, so it illuminates nicely. You open this up and you got your propane tank with your regulator already built to the hose. That operates the tankless water heater and also the refrigerator. We did want to put a furnace in here, but we just couldn't fit it. So we have to find other options for that. Being in Florida, it usually doesn't get too cold, so it's not a huge problem that we have to deal with. But that is a look of our Transit. And as all of you know, whenever you're building a vehicle like this, it's a product of where you live. A lot of the ones that you'll see on YouTube only have the max air fans. That's because they usually live in California and they don't use any air conditioning because the temperature is beautiful all year round. Here in Florida we got a lot of humidity, So people that build in the Florida area, you're going to see that they all use the air conditioners. And if you use an air conditioner, you're either going to have generator or a lot of solar. Solar can be very expensive. Generators are the cheaper option, so that's the option I went with. This vehicle took approximately 30 days to build from start to finish. We had to drive all the way to Missouri to pick the vehicle up because they're just hard to find during the coronavirus that's going on. Ford didn't have enough bodies, I guess, to build, so this model was actually just built last month, and it's a 2020. So it's only 30 days from being built. We just got it immediately after it was delivered to the dealership, and we absolutely love it. Just absolutely love it. Again, the blacked out windows all the way around. You have full privacy inside with being able to see outside with no issues. At nighttime, if you do have lights on inside, you can sort of see inside. That's why we put the Vevlour blinds in there, so that you do have some privacy at night if you decide. We wanted to keep it as stealthy as possible, so the only two cutouts we did were on the side of this side here, which is the passenger side, and then we couldn't do nothing at all with the roof vent or the air conditioner. We actually went with a smaller refrigerator vent first that was really hidden well, and unfortunately it didn't allow the fins to cool enough and the fridge never got cold. So we had to replace it. We had to run baffles in there. It was quite difficult to get the refrigerator with the propane working correctly inside this vehicle. So that was definitely one of the hardest parts. But it looks really nice. We love it. And we are going to enjoy the heck out of it. I hope you guys find the urge to build one yourself. And when you do, post it on YouTube like everybody else so we can all see who did what. Inspire everybody else with maybe some things that you did that somebody else didn't see before. And I guess that's it. Until next time, enjoy your van life.